The PICLITE team will be exhibiting at Automechanika in Frankfurt, Germany. You can find us at booth number 9.1.bo4 from September 10th to 14th, 2024. All important information about PICLITE is also available on the official Automechanika website. Just enter the keyword PICLITE to view our theme for this year and a map of our booth location. We warmly welcome automotive parts buyers and manufacturers with custom product needs from around the world to visit us. Should you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.